Oh my god, these randomized bloopers.
Good!
This very time, we made 55 bloopers at freaking yada ocha farming once. First of all, a different letter. Secondly, a language blooper. Third of all, a fan-made letter was added. Fourth of all, a different letter was added. Fifth of all, a one-digit number was added. Sixth off, another fan-made letter was added. Seventhly, a Korean letter was added. Eighth of all, a Russian letter was added. Ninth of all, a different language letter was added. 10th of all, an ancient Cyrillic letter was added. 11th, a Greek letter was added. 12th of all, different Lithuanian letter. The unlucky th of all, a fan-made Russian letter was added. 14th of all, a different language letter was added again. 15th, a different Chinese letter was added. 16th of all, a letter has been added once again, but overflated. 17th of all, a fan-made language letter was added, but is also overflated. 18th of all, a Coptic letter was freaking added once, freaking again. 19th of all, I am squished. 20thly, a glitchy blooper. 21st of all, a different mascot. 22nd of all, a donut here. 23rd of all, another freaking Russian letter was added once again. 24th of all, a different Korean letter was added once freaking again. 25th of all, a old version of ampersand was added. 26th of all, a fortune cookie here. 27th of all, another freaking Copic letter again. Wow, so many new friends. 28th of all, a different language letter was added once again. 29thly, we added a second freaking Greek letter. 30thly, a different letter was added, but in Aiden TV's colors. 31st of all, a mermaid here. 32nd of all, a second different number was added, and it is freaking overflated. 33rd of all, an apple here. 34th of all, another freaking different letter was added once freaking again. 35th of all, same thing, but it is different language rather than English. 36thly, different letter added in TVO text and overflated. 37thly, TVO text is cursed. 38th of all, more numbers added once again. 39thly, the apple is blue. 40th thing, early Cyrillic letter added. 41st, another Chinese letter added. 42nd of all, a Mr. letter was added. 43rd of all, a cake here. 44th of all, a keyboard here. 45th of all, another frickin' TVO text Chinese letter was added. 46th of all, what is TVO text X doing here? 47th of all, a fan-made Salish letter was added. 48thly, a pixel different math operator. 49thly, why does the light blue T look like that? 50th of all, why does the lime V look like that? 51st of all, why does the dark green O look like that? 52nd of all, kids text in wrong location. 53rd of all, TVO text was in wrong location. 54thly, the logo is crazy. And 55th, we made a background blooper. We made 55 bloopers at once, ultra randomized.